Hi friends, today you are going to work on a little bit of the same thing as yesterday and also something a little bit different. You still have some charts to look at where you're going to fill in missing numbers. So I've left the 100 chart link for you below. You also are going to have some number lines. And your number lines have one number on them, and you're going to have to figure out the numbers that go with it. So much like this one on our screen. On this number line, I know that there is a 25 here, but I don't know what goes on these other lines on my number line. So a number line can skip by ones, fives, tens, but for today, we are skipping just one number. So for example, if I have a 25, the next number would be 26, and then 27, and then 28, and then I'm going to need to go back. If I've got 25, the number before 25 would be 24, 23, and 22. They're just numbers in order on your number line. Today you're going to practice this. You have numbers with just a tens in ones place. You also have one number line that has hundreds on it, but you're still going to count. If your number is 125, then your number would be 126, 127, 128. It works the exact same way. The numbers are just a little bit bigger. Good luck today, friends.